So now again, everybody, we are again revising the Oswald CBSE mind maps, and now we are going to revise current electricity using this mind map. So the first concept in current electricity is electric current. How do we define electric current? Earlier two chapters were about electrostatics, when the charges are at rest. Now this chapter is about charges in motion. So electric current is whenever the charge is flowing, and you calculate that the rate of flow of charge through an area. So q upon t, q is your charge flowing, and t is the time it takes to flow from that area. In that case, I is q upon t. Now they have further defined it as integral j dot ds. Now what is jds? J is our current density. They have mentioned about it, so you can see here. Current density is delta I per unit area cos थीटा. cos थीटा आने का मतलब ये है कि हम करंट को एरिया का परपेंडिकुलर कंपोनेंट ले रहे हैं, यानी हमारा एरिया करंट फ्लो की डायरेक्शन के परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए. अगर मेरा करंट इस तरफ फ्लो कर रहा है तो एरिया मस्ट बी लाइक दिस. एंड अब आई और ए के बीच का जो एंगल आएगा थीटा it will come out to be 0, and you know that cos 0 is 1. So in that case, J is delta I upon delta S. This is your expression for current density. Current density has a direction, and its direction is along the area vector. Current की कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं होती, करंट एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, बट करंट डेंसिटी की डायरेक्शन होती है. Now similarly, this expression, this I delta S, for example, if they have given you J, I upon S is your area, whatever you are writing, this current density expression, I need to get it in the form of this electric field. So how would I do it? So I must get electric field for I. So I can write I as V upon R, and then S is your area. Now this V can further be written as electric field into length, because we know that E is equal to V upon L. Yeah, so this is what I am doing. V की जगह पे मैंने E by L लिखा. Then R upon A is here. Now R is again, what is R? R is rho L upon A, and there is one A already here. A से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, L से L रिमूव कर सकते हैं, and then 1 by rho is basically your conductivity. So this is how I get J is equal to sigma E. J is equal to sigma E is the expression that I get. So J is equal to sigma E. Delta S is area of cross section. Theta is the angle between area vector and current flow, and sigma is the conductivity. This is how I get it, the expression for current density. Now drift velocity is another concept. Now what is drift velocity? It's about how electrons are, what is the velocity of electron while moving through a conducting wire. So see, in a wire, as you would have studied in class 10th also, you know that whenever you apply a potential difference across a wire, there starts, or I would say there is an established electric field inside the wire. अब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वायर में इस्टेब्लिश तो हो गई है, बट वायर के अंदर जो एटम्स हैं वो गायब नहीं हुए. फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर, बट वायर के अंदर जो आपके पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयंस हैं वो भी हैं. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन आपके नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से, व्हेन electric field established, then one electron from the negative terminal comes out, it's going to repel the other electron, and they would keep on moving, but they do not get any free space while moving through the wire. So वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वो बार बार टकराते हैं. किससे? एटम से. They keep on striking the atoms, and as a result, whenever they are very small size particles, so whenever they are going to just a second, so class, there's this battery problem. I'll be back.